Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Adams Rite number 91-0956-01. This is a dogging retrofit kit, and it is comprised of a handful of different components, and let's go over that. Obviously, you're going to get a replacement dogging mechanism. This will allow you to convert a device into dogging for the 8100 and 8200 series exit devices. Now, there is a link below this video to the installation instructions that lists all of the devices that have retrofit kits available for them. The -01 tells us specifically it's for 81 and 8200 series devices. So let's continue the tour of what you get. This is the dogging assembly. This is going to slide into the back of your touch bar, and it will be retained within the extrusion that you're sliding it into. But then this screw is what is going to be keeping the unit from sliding at all. That's obviously going to be the access for the dogging screw itself. You're also going to get a drill bit to drill through the touch bar for access of the two included dogging keys. Okay. You are also going to get the end cap for this as well. Okay. So this would very likely give you the ability to switch from an end cap dogging device into more traditional style dogging. And the drilling template is included as well. And per the installation instructions, they tell us your dimension from the end, your A dimension, is going to be 10-inch, and that's where you're going to need to install or drill the hole for the dogging assembly. 7/32 of an inch size drill bit is what that is. Care should be taken when installing the new dogging assembly. Do not collapse the main dogging mechanism. This will cause the spring detent ball to come out, so there's no reason to attempt to collapse that at all. This part's not meant to come apart in that type of fashion. Okay. Very simple and straightforward. Going to touch bar dogging is very common. End cap dogging is not necessarily preferred by certain applications. End caps are very easily damaged, obviously damaging the ability to dog the device open. So people will convert to traditional touch bar dogging. Be sure and be mindful not to install this, of course, onto any sort of fire-rated device whatsoever. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Adams Rite products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the Adams Rite, this is their part number 91-0956-01, Retrofit Dogging Assembly Kit, or any other Adams Rite product. Please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.